A single sneeze travels at 100 miles per hour, turning you into a human tornado for a split second. Imagine the power packed into that tiny moment, your body expelling air faster than most speed limits. This burst of speed doesn't just make a loud noise, it propels droplets and particles in a whirlwind, capable of spreading germs far and wide. So next time you feel that tickle in your nose, remember you're about to unleash a mini storm. This isn't just about covering your mouth, it's about understanding the sheer force your body generates in an instant.